Hearty welcome to the participants of Ernakulam region to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources designed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us have a quick look at the course content: managing files and folders, introduction to MS Word, preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video, slicing videos, uploading video on YouTube, preparing online quizzes, preparing interactive worksheets using free open software, preparing audio files using free open software, and storing and sharing the resources prepared, and documenting all content online through Blogger. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSEE, Free, Libre and Open Source Software for Education project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSSEE team for creating an URL for us and allowing us to use their platform for training Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. The self-learning contents of the course are presented in the form of small videos. You have to log in to https://kvsgrg.fosse.in to register and view the contents. In this video, you will learn how to register, then how to view the contents in that portal. For that, let us start. Open the URL https://kvsgrg.fosse.in. Please note down, it should be kvsgrg.fosse.in. You may get some other website also called yaksh.fosse.in. Please don't log in into it. You have to log in at the portal kvsgrg.fosse.in only. Now this is the website, you please note down. Okay, now as you are a new user, you have to click new user, sign up. A registration page will open. You select a easy username which you can remember, and you give one valid email ID which is functional now. The activation code will be sent to this email ID only to activate your account at Yaksh platform. And choose a convenient password, not a complicated one, and confirm the password. You can give your first name, you can give your second name or last name. Then continue. Now there is one column called roll number. You have to enter the serial number at the list of participants. We have received the list of participants from Ernakulam region. You please note down your roll number. The serial number will be your roll number from 1 to 49. Please note down this. This file will be sent to you through mail also. Please note down your roll number, because while you are submitting your quiz and assignments, you will be using this roll number only. Therefore, enter that roll number. In the roll number, you enter the serial number at the list of participants. In the institute, please enter the name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya. In the department, you enter KVS. In position, please enter your designation. Once again I repeat, in the roll number, please enter the serial number as per the list of participants we received from Ernakulam region. The same list will be shared with you in your email also. In institute, please write the name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya. In department, write KVS. In position, you write your designation. Then after that, no need to do anything. Simply click this register. Then one email will immediately go to your registered email ID, which you have given it in the registration form. And it reads like this: Webmaster Yaksh email verification. Please remember, you have to activate it within 20 minutes. Click it. It will open and it will read like this: to activate your account and verify your email ID, you have to click the following link. Simply click it. and your account will be activated and your name will come in the right corner. And you have to click this home to view what are the courses in Yaksh platform. Under this kvsia.trg.fosse.in. Now at any time you can now log in with your account if it is activated with your username and password, and you can click login. Once again I repeat, please log in to the website kvsia.trg.fosse.in only. Then this will take you to the page all courses. Here you are already seeing one course called Yaksh demo course. Caution, do not enroll. Caution, do not enroll for this. As you are from Ernakulam region, in all courses search box, you type Ernakulam in all capital. The course code is case sensitive. Therefore, please type Ernakulam in all capital. Then click search. Type Ernakulam in all capital and click search. It will immediately will open online course on designing e-resources Ernakulam region designed for your region now. Now you know that what you have to do. You have to enroll for the course. You have registered. Now you are enrolling for the course. Immediately when you click this enroll, it will take you to a page where confirmation enroll in online course on designing e-resources Ernakulam region by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Here also you are seeing two courses, Yaksh demo course and another course is course on designing e-resources. As I told you earlier, please don't touch that Yaksh demo course. Click start for this online course on designing e-resources Ernakulam region to enter that course. You have entered now online course by Ernakulam region. Click start and now you can start viewing the content of this course. This is the content. The contents of this course are given in the form of lessons. You are seeing the lessons ordered in the left side. The lessons are ordered in the left side from 1 to 26. Your job is to view these lessons one after the other and answer the quiz and assignments which is posted every day. Here, one important thing you have to remember, please don't try to see all the videos at a stretch, because your quiz and assignments will be based on only videos in order. For example, the first quiz and assignment will be based on the videos 1 to 4. The second quiz and assignment will be based on the videos 5 to 8 like that. Therefore, it is enough if you see minimum 4 videos and maximum 5 videos per day, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, well, how to go about it? Here, this is some introduction is given. You can click this icon to make a full screen. You read it. Something introduction is given over here. Then click start to see the lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, managing files and folders. Once again, you can click this and it will get enlarged. You read it. Some introduction is given. Every lesson, a video is embedded. Small videos of maximum 13 minutes. You watch the videos because quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. Watch the video, then you can click next. If you click next, then the second lesson will get activated. You are seeing here, preparing reading material and converting the file to PDF. Then after this, you have to click next. But some of you may be interested to jump. For example, without seeing the previous videos, I want to directly jump to sharing videos online. This Yaksh platform, this course will not allow you. You have not completed previous lesson, quiz or exercises. The meaning is, if you want to see the second one, you should have seen the first one. If you want to see the fifth one, you should have seen the 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, humble request, please go in order. Don't try to see the videos, all of them at the same time. Please see them every day so that you can answer the quiz and assignments carefully. Now you have to click start. We have to come back. Now, like this, you can view all the videos now. Now, suppose if you have any doubt, your mentor will help you. Therefore, I recollect, you have to first register for the Yaksh course. An email will come into your email ID. Click it to activate it. After activating, after login, you should not enroll for Yaksh demo course. In that search box, please type Ernakulam. It will take you to the course. Enroll it, start, and then view the videos and have a happy learning. Thank you.